you, Mr. Sun, Mr. Golden Sun. Please shine down on, please shine down on, please shine down on me. Yay!
Well, today's super duper sing-along is going to be full of surprises.
Oh, I love surprises. Can we have one now, can we?
Some of our friends are here yet, but we can start if you'd like, Baby Bop.
Oh, thank you. Good.
Well, I was thinking.
Ay, ano yun? May cow?
A cow, you say?
Ay, may cow?
We better go see. Come on.
Welcome to Grandpa's farm, everybody. Home there are lots of things to see and do.
We on the way to Grandpa's farm. We on the way to Grandpa's farm. Down at Grandpa's farm, there's a black and white cow. Down at Grandpa's farm,
Ang bakante yung higaan ni Treta.
lasi, oh.
Makes it sound like this. The cow, she makes it sound like this.
We on the way to Grandpa's farm.
Pagkikit mo natitigil.
Down on Grandpa's farm, there is a
Nang katurak-turak pa.
Down on Grandpa's farm, there is a little yellow dog.
Uno, dito.
He makes it sound like this.
Wak, wak.
He makes it sound like this.
Quack, quack. We on the way to Grandpa's farm. We on the way to Grandpa's farm.
Wak, wak.
Is it big? Down on Grandpa's farm, there is a great big pig.
Pig!
Down on Grandpa's
Sinong
farm,
pig?
there is a great big pig. The pig, she
Nakabigay ulo, okay?
The pig, she makes it
Inis
sound
ang
like
pawi nila doon na, oh.
Down on Grandpa's farm, there is a black and white skunk.
Down on Grandpa's farm, there is a black and white skunk. The skunk always smells like this. Ew!
The skunk always smells like this.
News, mga babae.
Hey, spider, spider! Hello! Spider, spider! Wala dyan. May Barbie.
Looking up the water spout. Why? I want to see the itsy-bitsy spider. How do you know what's up there? Oh, do you remember?
The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout.
Down came the rain and washed the spider out.
Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider.
Went out the spout again. Oh, he didn't come down. Maybe he went up too soon with me. Okay. The itsy-bitsy spider went out the water spout.
Down came the rain and washed the spiders out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain.
And the itsy-bitsy spider went up the spout again. Here, spider, spider. Here, spider,
Wala,
spider.
hindi lumabas. Takot sa ulan.
Hi, Baby Bob. Look who followed us here from the farmhouse.
Bingo na naman.
Dog!
Yan ang favorite ni Makiyan eh, bingo.
There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. Oh,
B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name.
isn't he cute?
There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name.
green leg.
Ay! 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 Ano? Ano tayo?
Umibo. Cut ka na. Oh, oh, oh. Go.
Dun, dun, tararararan, dun, dun. Ay, just...
Wala. Patay.
Ayun na, oh. You're tired or not, can you tired or no?
Do you hear say no? Give all to a girl. Can you talk?